All right, guys, introducing this 6-tier shelf. This is a farmhouse look with also the rustic high-density board that is just very nice. This has a scratch resistant on here. It's waterproof and also very easy to clean. I got a couple decor pieces on here just to give you an idea of what this would look like. But right here, I have this right next to my stairs and also my dinner table. So I thought this was an optimal spot to put it. Now, this holds up to 100 pounds, which is really, really nice. And there's so many ways you can put this in the house, not just right by the dinner table like I do. I just think it was a nice spot because I'm in a townhouse, but you can also put this in an entryway, right behind a sofa, in your living room, your kitchen, anything. This works so many ways because it's versatile. Now, a couple things that I want to point out to you on this. The assembly is very, very easy, cut and dry to assemble this, as long as you follow the directions. I just want to note one thing when you assemble this. The pieces that connect right in here, there's one piece that goes in here and it's going to be all the way around. So there's 4 of them. They are bent. It's not bent by accident. It's actually bent on purpose. So it fits in here perfectly. So just keep that in mind. This looks absolutely amazing. I love the matte black finish, very high quality. The board is just thick. It just looks good. A little bit thinner down here. So this is kind of like the highlight up top. And then these kind of just are subtle right below the black bar. And you just have a lot of different options. Lays flat on the floor. And then also on the bottom, we're going to have an anti-tip kit. So this is going to be the leveling. So you can unscrew that. That's going to be on all 4 and kind of just hides it really well because this is super low profile. But look at this U shape going all the way around. This is something that's super unique. It's going to bring a lot of attention, a lot of eyes. It's like a nice design piece. People are going to be asking you where you got this because it's just so unique. I've never seen anything quite like this, but I really like the colors and how this looks in the room with the rustic wood going all the way throughout. Very nice. You can decorate it so many different ways. I just kind of had it staggered just so everything wasn't all cluttered up, but you have so many different options. Just let your creativity flare, let it fly. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.